Awesome. Yeah, let's head back to that main Smart Money Wizard dashboard. So obviously we just looked at the Uniswap V2 wallet. We've also got some MEV bot wallets tracked. Can filter by gas fee consumed, so you can see who's transacting the most. We've got $250,000 of gas in the last 24 hours. That's a very active wallet, and you might be interested in finding out why they're transacting so much. Top liquidity pairs, another good one to see what's trending. Trending in terms of transaction number, transaction volume, people putting their money where their mouth is. Awesome, yeah, and you can paste in any wallet. You could paste in your own personal address to track that and see what insights you can gain from your own address as well.
Yeah, that's right. So we have a pretty extensive database of wallet addresses. At the moment, we don't have all wallet addresses. We're still in the process of adding more and more over time. There's quite a few addresses to go. So really starting with all of the smart money addresses, and that's kind of the purpose of this tool, is really focused on more of the smart money wallets. So if you see smart money wallet on the wild, it's likely going to be accessible within this database. And then, yeah, some of the user wallets should also be somewhat accessible. So being able to have that open search and discovery functionality is important for our users.